Hi everyone, in today's video we'll see the 3 ways to find a lookup value. Let's get started. Suppose there is a table range 1 and range 2. Range 2 I'm considering as an expense. Now I have to find out how much James expenses are. Now there is a 3 ways to look up this value. First is match and index, lookup and vlookup. Now start with the first one, match and index. Equals to index. Open your bracket and select your array. My array is range 2. I am selecting range 2 as a array. Now I have to match the value from the table. So I am applying match function. After applying match function, again I have to give a lookup value. My lookup value is B1. Then again select the array, lookup array. My lookup array is range 1. Now I have to give an exact match. That's why I have selected 0. Now close your bracket and press enter. See, my result is here. James expenses are 300. Now if we change the name, will it formula works? Yes. See. Now jump to the second one. The second one is lookup function. Start with the lookup function equals to lookup. Open your bracket. Now give a lookup value. My lookup value is B1, comma. Now give a lookup vector. My lookup vector is range 1. I am selecting range 1 as a lookup vector. And give a result vector. My result vector is range 2. And close the bracket. And press enter. See, the result is here. James expenses are 300. Now jump to the next. The next one is vlookup equals to vlookup. Bracket open. Again select the lookup value. Now select the whole table, comma, column index number. My column index number is range 2 because I have to search the expenses. Now exact match, select false and enter. See, the result is here. So these are the 3 ways to find out your lookup value. Which one is your favorite? Comment in the section. Bye bye.